Hi everyone. In this chapter, we talk about percentage change. There are two kinds of percentage change. The first one is increase, and the second one is decrease. And how to find the change in values and to express these changes as percentages? For example, a percentage change could be a decrease of 10% or an increase of 10%. What does it mean? In the first case, increase means that the new value is greater than the original value. So the increase will be new value minus the original value. The percentage of the increase to the original value is called the percentage increase. And now there is an example. Mr. Wong's monthly salary has increased from $20,000 to $24,000. This is an increase of the salary, so the increase is $4,000. And the percentage change is to put the increase of salary on the top and the original value at the bottom times 100. After we calculate these equation in calculator, and the answer should be 20%. Mr. Wong's monthly salary has increased by 20%. Now I have to show you how to calculate the percentage increase in the number of books that Amy's read. Amy read 10 books last year and read 15 books this year. It means she read 5 books more in this year. So the number of books increase 15 minus 10 equals to 5. Remember the equation. We put the increase on top and the original. Original means the number of books that read last year, which is 10, times 100% percentage increase. So the answer should be 50%. Therefore, the percentage increase in the number of books is 50%. Alright, in the second example, Paul got 70 marks and June got 75 marks. In this exam, the increase of marks of Paul and June are both 21 marks. Now we have to find the percentage increase in marks for each of them. For Paul, the increase is 21 and its original value is 70 times 100. So the percentage is 30%. For June, the increase of the marks is 21, but the original value is now 75 times 100% equals to 28%. So we can see if the original number is greater, the percentage increase will be smaller. If their increase of marks are the same. In this page, it will be more clearer. Paul, the original marks is 70, plus 21 increase becomes 91, and the percentage change is 30%. For June, her original marks is 75, and 21 marks more becomes 96. but the percentage change is lower, which is 28%. So Paul has a greater percentage increase in marks. But in some questions, we would like to find the increase or the new value. So we have two more equations that you have to remember. The first one is increase equals to original value times percentage change. And the second equation is the new value equals to the original value times 1 plus percentage increase. I will explain these two equations by this example. The weight of Judy was 45 kilogram last year, and this year she gained 5% of weight. So the increase of the weight of Judy is 45%, which is the original value, times the percentage increase, which is 5%. So she gained 2.25 kilogram this year. And what is the new weight of Judy? Then we use the second equation. The new weight of Judy is equals to the original weight, which is 45, times 1 plus the percentage increase. Now this in this case is 8%. 1 plus 8%. After we calculate this equation is 48.6 kilogram. I'm going to show you one more example. A boutique sold 300 shirts last month, and the percentage increase is now 24%. And we need to find the increase in the number of shirts that the boutique sells this month. All right. Remember the first equation. The increase in the number of shirts equals to the original value, which is 300, times 24%, which is the percentage increase. Then the answer should be 72. In the second question, part B, the number of shirts that's the boutique sells this month. Okay, the total number of the shirts, which is the new shirts amount, equals to the original value times 1 plus 35%. As you know, the percentage increase now is 35%, equals to 405. All right, we have finished to talk about the increase. Now we move on to the next part, which is decrease. Decrease is more or less the same as increase, but the new value now is less than the original value. Therefore, the decrease is using the original value minus new value. For increase is new value minus original value, so it is opposite to increase. The equation is the same as percentage increase. We put the decrease on top and the original value at the bottom times 100%. Let's see this example. Before the breakfast, there was 750 ml of juice. After the breakfast, someone drank it. So this is 450 ml of juice left. So someone drank 750 minus 450 equals to 300 ml. And the percentage decrease is the decrease over the original value times 100% equals to 40. So the volume of juice has decreased by 40%. Let's do an example. The price of a vase is reduced from 7,500 to 6,000. So the price decrease equals to the original minus the new equals to 1,500, and the percentage decrease equals to, we are using the price decrease as the top, and the original is 7,500 times 100%. So this is 20%. So the new price is now 20% off from the original price. And there are two more equations which is similar to the increase here by listing here. We're using the example here to illustrate the two equations. The price of a flight ticket is 5,400. Now the ticket is 50% off. We need to find the decrease in the price. Is 5,400 times the decrease, which is 810. And what is the new price of the flight ticket? The original price times 1 minus 23. In the increase, we use plus. In the decrease, we use minus the percentage decrease. And we got 4,158. Okay, let's do another example. Judy has a piece of cloth with area 10 meters square. Okay, this one is m square. After making a dress, the area of the cloth is reduced by 15%. Find the new area of the cloth. The new area of the cloth is equals to the original times 1 minus 15% equals to 8.5 meters square. We're using the second equation here. Alright, we have learned the decrease and the increase of the percentage change. Now we are making a summary. When a value increases or decreases, the change is given by change equals to new value minus original value. So we have to decide which one is the new value, which one is the original value, and then we can find the percentage change. So everyone should remember these two equations. If the new value is greater than the original, so it will be positive. If the new value is smaller than the original value, then the change is negative. Alright, this is an example. The original is 3,000, and if the new value is 2,700, which is less than the original value, we will use the new value minus the original. That is negative $300, and we use negative $300 in the top, the original at the bottom times 100%. And the answer is less 10%. It means the percentage change is negative 10%. It is a percentage decrease. All right. How about B? The new value is 4,200. The original is $3,000. So the answer is $1,200 more than the original value. Okay, we are using the increase of the price over the original value times 100%, and the percentage increase is 40%. Alright, that's all for chapter 8.3. It's talk about percentage increase, decrease, or even we call it changes. Alright, there are 3 equations that you have to remember. If you don't remember, go back and watch again. See you in the next video.